Today we are watching a video over decision making.
Making big decisions as a teenager or adult is easier if you've learned how to make small decisions as a child.
We talk about choices. I learned that it's not always easy making hard decisions.
Big or small, making the right choice is not always an easy task. That's where the Smart Moves program comes in at the Boys and Girls Club.
If you make bad decisions, you can either get more in trouble or more into a situation that you're already in.
Yes on this side or no on this side.
Smart Moves teaches some of the youngest children in the clubs how to make the right choice by giving them a number of scenarios, allowing the children to make a decision, then discussing why they made that choice and what may have been a better option.
So one of the questions was, would you tell your friend if they had something stuck in their tooth? I said no because I didn't want them to think I was being mean and saying there's something in their tooth.
Some questions don't have a right or wrong answer, but it's the discussion that comes with the exercises that creates critical thinking skills.
I learned that it made it a little bit easier asking other people, talking to other people about our decisions and comparing them.
Preparing these young people for bigger, more difficult choices in the future while training them in a safe, less stressful environment.